ay papasok sa school nang mag-aaral po talaga ng seryoso. In 61 days, then after po ng instructional block na yan, meron na pong 10 days.
Thanks ni Ma'am Gia at ni Ma'am Gina. Sabi namin, during the training, meron po full participation ang lahat ng ito, problema palagi ito ni Ma'am G. Timeliness in submission of feedback and reflections regarding the topic. Ang mga master teachers, sa regular monitoring, kung ini-implement ba o ginagamit ni teacher yung diniscuss namin sa lab. So, with that, yun lang po.
6 or the standardized assessment to track progress. Siyempre po, importante po yun na hindi lang po puro pabasa, kundi nadedetect po kung umuunlad po ba yung pagpapabasa ng mga yung amin naman po nilagay sa weaknesses.
Kaya pag-usapan po namin, parang gusto namin na mayroon din po pa sa magulang na parang tuturuan din po sila.
Maganda yun.
Maganda rin.
Numeracy sa parents.
Yes, numeracy sa mga parents. Okay, para lalong ma-engage po sila pagdating sa mathematics. Sorry po pero this time, sa monitoring ng mga MPs, ay isasama po namin iyon. Yung mga, anong tawag po doon, Ma'am Claire? Yung OBFAD na yan, yung one sentence a day,
Word a
yung
day.
ASAD na yan. Opo, award. Yan po yung mga magagandang mga program ng nakaraan. Napakagandang strategy. Yung LIS, EBS, ito po yung mga important system sa school. Bakit? Yung po kasi dito natin makikita ang datos ng ating paaralan. So, sa ating strength po, syempre po, we all know that LIS, ito na yung centralized learners database. So, lahat ng bata na naka-enroll sa staff, nag-transfer sa other school or nag-transfer sa ating paaralan or nagbalik-balik-aral or ang batang ito ay puminto. Now, makikita po natin sa database ng LIS. So, ang opportunities po natin dito, syempre, it enhances accuracy in enrollment data and support efficient learners monitoring. Kagaya nga po ng sinabi ko, through LIS, madedetect natin sino ang batang nag-transfer, nag-trans-out, at nag-drop. So, mamumonitor na agad natin yung bilang ng bata natin, hindi pa man matapos yung taon, kung ilan na yung drop, ilan na yung trans. Isa-isa. Unahin po muna natin yung strength ng ating po SDRRM. Ito po yung presence of functional SDRR teams and dedicated committee, availability of technical assistance from higher officers, established documentation, disaster plans, and enough plans entries. So, dito po tayo sa strength ng SDRRM. Ito po, yung strength natin, napakaswerte po natin dahil meron po tayong mga opportunities na binibigay po.
Shifting po yan ng mga klase. Pero this coming school year po, may itatayo pong building doon po sa bandang likod. 3-story, 12 classroom. Ayan po, ganyan po siya kataas. Pero ayun po ay medyo updated na, mas improved kasi meron na po siyang tangke ng tubig. Mayroon na rin po siyang water reservoir. Sabi ni engineer at ni attorney, kaya wag po kayong maglalagay ng concrete perimeter fence. Temporary fence lang po hanggang hindi pa naiaayos yung territorial issue ng school. So kaya po mapapansin nyo Dole. Okay. So,
na magawan talaga natin to ng solusyon. So, paano po natin to magagawa ng solusyon? Ito ay dahil sa ating partnership or pagkakaisa. So, ano daw po ang ibig sabihin ng partnership? So, partnership is a voluntary association of two or more persons. Ito po tayo. Kasama po kaming mga teachers, ang mga estudyante, ang mga magulang, ang LGU, at ang mga private individuals po.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet. Damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? What you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, and I ain't gonna lie to you.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this,
Kung pupunta sila doon, may mapapasyalan sila.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever